Alright, Ozark guys, fishing fans, this is Paris out here, fishing out here at Baxter and Spring River. Not going to give an exact location, but you all know how that is already. But I'm going to introduce a couple other fishermen that I'm going to start introducing to the channel. One of them knows this area so well, and he's known to pull up some big flathead. So that's what we're out here doing tonight, is trying to catch some flatheads. However, I'm going to go ahead and flip this video around, and I'm going to let you guys take a quick look. Go farther down. We are fishing Spring River. This will give you guys an idea. We got something on the line, guys. Damn.
Yeah, he's decent. That's the biggest one I've ever caught, dude.
TJ.
What?
You're in the video. You're right in the video, dude. Fuck yeah.
The biggest cat ever, dude.
Good sized flathead.
That's a blue.
Is it a blue?
Yeah, that's a blue.
Good size.
Are y'all keeping them or are you releasing? That's for you, Curtis.
Whatever, I don't care. Release it back. We got her on footage.
Fucking catfish.
Guys, we got some dual action going on here.
Oh no, it's a smaller carp.
Pull her up. Oh, you're hooked, Casey, you're hooked.
Yeah, I'm hooked.
Damn! Yours has got some fucking size to it. That motherfucker's fighting hard. That ain't current, that's a fucking fish.
It feels like a flathead right there.
Whatever she is, she's big.
Oh, he swallowed that fucker.
Damn, TJ, that's a good sized carp.
Told you.
Good deal. TJ, you're getting hit, you're getting hit. Boys, we got some action on film here. We got a fight.
Damn.
That's a good size flatty.
Yeah, that's good.
Is yours still on, TJ? Your snag?
Boys.
Boys, now that's a good size flathead right there.
That's what you want to see. I told y'all.
This is Ozark Guys Fishing, guys. This is what fucking the fishing's about. Y'all say that I don't ever get anything on my channel. Okay, so to conclude the video, I'm going to do an introduction on a couple of people that are going to become newer crew members to Ozark Guys Fishing. First off, I'm going to announce Mr. Casey. He is an amazing fisherman, and he is one of the newest members of Ozark Guys Fishing. Also, I'm going to introduce Casey's buddy, Trevor, who was also with us last night fishing. Trevor did catch his personal best on a blue catfish last night. However, I do want to thank everybody for being Ozark Guys Fishing fans, and please stay tuned. God bless. Tight lines.